Hello everyone. If you wanted to know how you can download Google Play Store on your computer or your laptop, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to download Google Play Store on your computer or your laptop easily. First thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to search for Play Store PC. You're going to click onto this first link from play.google.com. You're going to click onto this download on PC button. Click start download. Wait for it to complete downloading. And after that, open it up and select a location for the program. Click install on here, and then it will download the internal parts that it needs to work correctly on your computer. Just wait for it to complete downloading. It's only going to take 2 minutes. And once it's done downloading all of those required files, it's going to install those files. So just wait for a minute or two more. And after it's done installing, it will open up the Google Play Store on your computer. And now you're going to go ahead and sign in with your Google account. And after that, you're going to click on here, click accept the terms of service, click finish them, and it's done. Now you have successfully downloaded Google Play Store on your computer. Now you can click on any game that you want to play and click install on here, and it's done. So that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.